Okay guys, another cool piece here from Chalk. It's our Power Runner. It's absolutely awesome for anyone looking for really explosive power, speed, strength. We've got Em, she's going to jump in and show us how it's done. So to start off, what I like people to do is just find their end race. So set up in that position where you're almost at a lockout. You'll notice that the heels actually come up off the ground. That's what gives you a good sprinting, driving position. And her core is staying nice, long and strong through there. So when you get used to it, you can start really working on creating a little bit of speed back and forth. And the burn that you get through the quads in this position is unbelievable. I recommend doing sets for time, like doing 15, 20, 30 seconds for time, keeping them in there so the lactic's building up, not letting them get out and going again. What we're going to do to show you a little bit harder way of doing this and what gives a little bit more constant tension is we're going to put on the bands now. Okay, so now the bands are on, and obviously that's going to give more constant tension, but also get that little bit harder as you go out, and it's going to flick back, and you can really start getting some speed up now. So we'll stay strong here. I'm going to go as fast as you can for 10 seconds to finish it off. Fast, fast, fast. Stay strong. Drive. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's the Power Runner. If you're serious about your power, explosiveness and speed, and want a really good hard workout on the legs, this is the piece for you. I love it. You will too. You got a door, you got a gym. I think that was good.